Hi love, how are you from 1 to 10? Are you a highly sensitive sleeper with highly sensitive stools living with food fears? I'm D. Let's talk. I teach sensitive souls with leaky bodies how to de-stress, detox, and rebuild peace after trauma, chronic inflammation, and hidden mold injury. Today we are doing a non-toxic holiday deep dive so your body can feel supported instead of overwhelmed. If you have long COVID and have had COVID more than once with CIRS, MCAS, histamine overload, MTHFR, POTS, diverticulitis, IBS, IBD, menopause symptoms, anxiety, depression, have tried every diet as a holistic healer, personal trainer, and still look 5 months pregnant with a bloated belly, have a compromised immune system, or are highly sensitive to stress and sounds and don't know why. The holidays can feel like a crash waiting to happen. You may be excited to be with everyone, and then start feeling overwhelmed by the energies around you. Especially when others with CIRS are not protecting their bodies from toxic food or drink, or wearing scents that cause your leaky lungs to seize up and make it hard to breathe. This year, we focus on a peaceful, non-toxic holiday. Most midlife crashes like mine did not start in midlife. They began with silent whispers, childhood mold, moldy military bases, and old water-damaged buildings. Chronic stress from birth as a firstborn, parentified, petrified, people-pleasing, perfectionist, peacemaker, and stress cleaner of the family. Trauma-wired sleep, inflamed womb and environments, and a sensitive body doing its best. By the time December comes, your nerves are overloaded. This video teaches you how to support your leaky body, leaky brain, and leaky muscles during the most inflammatory season of the year. Most scented candles contain endocrine disruptors, microplastics, and artificial fragrances that trigger MCAS flares, airway inflammation, and tired nervous system crashes. Use beeswax or coconut wax candles, or simmer cinnamon sticks and orange peels on the stove. Avoid synthetic scents and chemical sprays. Aluminum roasting pans heated at high temperatures can transfer aluminum particles into your food and contribute to neuroinflammation, histamine reactions, and brain fog. Stop using aluminum pans to cook your Thanksgiving turkey. Holiday cooking is in full swing, and many families reach for aluminum pans and plastic turkey bags without knowing what they bring into the meal. High heat, reactive metals, and hidden plasticizers quietly introduce chemicals into food during one of the most meaningful meals of the year. A Thanksgiving turkey should not carry a side of toxins. Choose stainless steel, cast iron, glass, unbleached parchment, or clay bakeware instead. Functional foods can help calm histamine storms, mast cell reactions, vagus nerve shutdown, POTS symptoms, and trauma-driven inflammation. Choose roasted carrots and squash, fresh herbs like rosemary, thyme, and sage, bone broth or mineral broth, pomegranate and cranberries, ginger and lemon tea, apples and red onions for quercetin. Freshly cooked turkey is usually tolerated. Avoid leftovers stored longer than 24 hours because histamine increases quickly. Holidays bring noise, scents, lights, and emotional pressure. Your body needs predictable peace. Take short breaks, step outside for 2 minutes, place a hand on your belly, and slow down your exhale, repeating the words, "I am safe, all is well in my world." Slow blinking to reset your vagus nerve. You are not too sensitive. You are highly attuned. To detox toxins and stored traumas from your tissues, use warm Epsom salt baths, dandelion tea, binders for mold and metals, infrared sauna blankets, red light, gentle lymphatic massage with a massager, magnesium before sleep, tea instead of alcohol, and leave overstimulating events early if needed. All the healing tools I use to heal my leaky body with the Bodhi Berry Peace Tree method can be found at our Amazon Zen Den, found on the YouTube homepage links. This season is not about perfection. Let that go. It is a childhood CPTSD trauma response from childhood trauma as parentified child because we were not seen unless we excelled. It is about protection. Protecting your PTSD piece, your nervous system, your liver, your mast cells, and your mitochondria for a safe celebration. You are not broken. You are a sensitive, powerful soul with a leaky body trying to heal in a toxic world. This year, we choose peace over pressure. If this message speaks to your sensitive body and your trauma-wired nervous system, subscribe and comment school to join our waitlist for the next 40-day trauma toxins detox for sensitive souls on school.